churches and other faith-based organizations, as well as individuals, to generously donate towards ameliorating this state of national disaster.
According to Hopwe Shingono, the multiple award-winning investigative journalist, Zimbabwe's poverty is not inherent, rather it stems from inadequate governance. This perspective emerged after President Emmerson Mnangagwa declared a state of disaster in response to the drought that severely impacted the 2023 to 2024 summer cropping season on Wednesday, 3 April. Zimbabwe becomes the third African country to declare the current drought a national disaster, following Zambia and Malawi. On his social media platforms, the prominent government critic Hopwe Shingono pointed out the irony of President Mnangagwa allocating trucks to traditional chiefs and ZANU-PF's social media propagandists while the nation grapples with a severe cereal deficit. I quote Hopwe Shingono saying, "The President of Zimbabwe has declared a state of national disaster, a euphemism in this case for saying there isn't enough food to feed the nation. This ironically comes after the President distributed 100 trucks to traditional chiefs and has started distributing cars to ZANU-PF social media propagandists who helped in his election campaign." Shingono boldly exposed the ZANU-PF-led government's deception, revealing that their claim of sufficient grain reserves in the country was far removed from reality. Hopwe Shingono has emphatically stated that Zimbabwe currently grapples with the world's highest inflation rate. Furthermore, the local currency has been rendered virtually worthless due to corruption within the central bank and the glaring incompetence attributed to ZANU-PF's legendary inability to govern, said Hopwe Shingono, adding, "Zimbabwe is not poor, it is only poorly governed."
This declaration, I also call upon all Zimbabweans of goodwill, including those in the diaspora, the international community, United Nations agencies, development and humanitarian partners, international financial institutions, the private sector, churches and other faith-based organizations, as well as individuals, to generously donate towards ameliorating this state of national disaster.